If I was to recommend one type of begonia for any gardener who wanted to start trying to grow begonias, this would be the group, known as angel begonias or cane begonias, because they grow pretty tall. Now, normally about 2 meters tall, but some of them are a little bit shorter. And here behind me, I'll show some close-up images, but they are great plants to grow, easy to grow, and cuttings also incredibly easy. Now for the close-ups. So give cane begonias a chance. That's their height, that's their habit, that's their spread. But behind here are a couple of smaller dwarfer forms available on the market. So where do you buy begonias? Well, check out the local Queensland Begonia Society or whatever state you live in. Join a garden club. Go to a gardening event. You will be able to track down all different types of begonias online or even at your local garden centre. They're tough plants, they're reliable plants. They're a lot easier than what most people actually think. And as I said, if you want to start any begonia collection at home, start with the cane begonias because they really are this simple. This is Paul Plant Horticulture. If you've enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.